Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the router and confirming you have physical or admin access. This speeds everything up. Once you're next to the device, read the label for default SSID and admin credentials. Make a wired connection if possible to prevent wireless interruptions while changing settings. Then open a browser and enter the gateway IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, and log in using the label info or your saved credentials so you can view the wireless settings immediately. You should next check devices and the router UI for the password. This avoids unnecessary resets. On Windows, use Credential Manager or PowerShell to reveal the stored Wi-Fi password, and on Mac, open Keychain Access and search the SSID. Once done, log into the router's wireless panel. Here you can read the current WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase or replace it with a new, strong one. Make sure to save changes and note whether the router reboots so you can reconnect your devices smoothly. You finish by setting a secure new password and confirming all devices reconnect. Choose a unique 12+ character passphrase with mixed characters, save it in a password manager, and then reconnect phones, laptops, and smart devices. Test web access and speed briefly to verify. Once everything works, disable remote admin and change the router admin password for extra protection. If you can't access the admin page or credentials fail, perform a factory reset as a last resort or contact your ISP. That's the key troubleshooting step to regain control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.